Lord, I am the grantee of
Serial number 18, my lord.
18.
PIL matter. I seek request on Monday, my lord, because senior counsel is not present. So need an adjournment for Monday.
PIL.
Please,
About?
please, my lord.
About?
His-
PIL about?
My lord, it's a land, my lord, corporation property, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship has directed us to produce CDP plan, my lord. So it is not available.
So you want time?
Please, my lord.
All right. At the request of learned advocate for respondent,
Petitioner, my lord.
petitioner, stand over to 7th November.
Kindly have done Monday, my lord.
Hmm?
Monday, my lord, 30th.
This Monday is not.
Short date may be given. my lord. Much.
My Lord, I'm the grantee of an agricultural land, my Lord. I'm a grantee of an agricultural land. My name was removed from the RTC and I filed a writ petition. The Honorable Single Bench allowed the writ petition and directed the revenue authorities to register my name. Then government filed a writ appeal and that writ appeal was dismissed and your lordship was pleased to direct the government to register my name and that name was registered. Then a non-party files a review petition, makes the false submission and obtains the interim orders. My Lord. I'm moving this matter for urgent hearing. My Lord.
What interim?
Pardon,
Against interim order.
please, my Lord.
Why passed by?
Your lordship. My Lord. This bench, my Lord.
Passed any.
My Lord.
We have not passed any interim order in your matter.
No, this is the review petition filed by the non-party, my Lord. It was passed. It's an old matter.
The review can wait after vacation.
My Lord, in this matter, problem is they have filed a judgment, my Lord, which is obtained by fraud. That aspect has to be brought before the court, my Lord.
Which judgment of which court?
In a suit, my Lord. They have filed a fraudulent suit and
Immediately on
obtained a
the-
judgment.
In reopening, we'll consider 16th of
And
October.
even we have filed the complaint before the registrar, my Lord. And
16th of October.
before vacation, my Lord, one audience,
Before vacation will not be possible.
we will take our chance, my Lord. Tomorrow, day after, any day is
Not possible.
Your Lordship, I pray to mention this fresh mining matter. I pray to mention this fresh mining matter, Your Lordship. The petitioner's QL application was restored by the revision authority, but it has been again rejected by the competent authority under a rule which has been omitted, under Rule 12 priorities, Your Lordship, which has been omitted, and our application has again been rejected. The matter may kindly be heard on the 27th, Your Lordship.
After holidays. If there is urgency, you can move the learned vacation days. This side not possible. Yes, madam. Anyone?
My lord, may I make one submission, my lord?
Yes.
Serial number 55, my lord.
55.
55, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, I am not well, my lord. I am not keeping well. It may kindly be taken up after vacation, my lord.
At the request of learned advocate for the appellant, so and so. Stand over to 11th November.
Much. Lord, interim order may kindly be extended, my lord. There is an
Interim order is there.
Yes, my lord. Interim order.
Stand over to 4th November. Interim order granted earlier, shall continue to operate till the next day.
Serial number 58.1 and 2, my lord.
Serial number
58.1 and 2, my lord.
58.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
I'm for the respondent in the matters, my lord. We've engaged senior advocate who's unable to be present before this honorable court today. And the matter was listed on 25th of October. Date was given on the previous date of hearing, but it has come up today, my lord.
So 58 and 58 connected matters.
50, yes, my lord. 58.1 and 58.2, my lord.
3 matters, all right. It will go to, when it was kept? It was stated by,
25th of October, my lord.
it was stated that these matters, these appeals were kept on 25th of October, 2024, and it has been inadvertently notified today. Send over to 25th October.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, serial number 70.
70.
Request a 1 week's accommodation. My lord, we've engaged senior counsel due to some personal inconvenience. He is unavailable today.
I appear for respondent number 1.
70 PIL.
MMS, ma'am.
70. Green bench, all right. It will go to 12th November. as requested on behalf of learned advocate for the petitioner, stand over to 12th November.
My lord, serial number 23, my lord. Short accommodation may be granted. 23, my lord. And for the respondent in that.
Petitioner is informed.
I informed.
Counsel for the petitioner is
Petitioner has no, appellant has no objection, no, we called after vacation.
at the joint request of learned of the party, stand over to 13th November.
The list number 2, seal number 1, Mr. Abhishek Mali Patil.
My lords, I appear.
Engineering.
My lords, in terms of the interim order, my lords, student has participated in the counseling and counseling process is going on. As it stands now, my lords, no orders needs to be passed.
Learned advocate clearly stated that the developments have taken place whereby the petitioner student is permitted to participate in the counseling process, which is underway.
Yes.
In that view, he stated that the petition will not survive.
No, my lord. This, we have to file counter in this. The blood, last year's engineering student, but again seeking engineering, contrary to the rule.
In
By
that
what-
view, the petition could be taken up
After the,
after vacation.
file,
Stand over to 5th November.
please.
Seal number 2,
My lords, I appear, my lords. My lords, hand summons with respect to respond number 4 institution, my lords. The principal had refused, my lords, accepting the hand summons. We have issued, my lords, the hand summons through email, my lords. My lords, I'm placing all of that by an affidavit today, my lords. My lords, in any case, my lords, respondent number 4 is not the contesting respondent, my lords. KE is the contesting respondent. In the second round of counseling, my lords, KE had allotted the seat to the petitioner, my lords. Annexure K1. If your lordships were to see at page number 53.
If the hand summons is refused, the endorsement is not.
No, that endorsement is not by respondent number 4, my lords. Endorsement is to be issued by the respondent number 2.
If the respondent refuses the notice of the court, it figures in the endorsement only. There is no endorsement that is refused.
Lords, they have refused to accept it, so we are swearing it by an affidavit, my lords.
You are
The petition-
filing affidavit now.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords. Hard copy of the hand summons was refused. We have issued an email, my lords, with the hand summons.
In
To
any
that
way-
effect, my lords, we are filing an affidavit to that effect.
What relief you are seeking?
My lords, is against respondent number KA, my lords.
He's seeking a relief, my lord, to consider her request for, to treat her as linguistic minority, Telugu linguistic minority. For Telugu linguistic minority, my lord, the specification, rule specification is, my lord, 1 to 10 that they should have studied in Karnataka, and they have to produce the certificate duly countersigned by the BEOs stating that their mother tongue is Telugu. Admittedly, she has not given, my lord, for 1 to 3, the basic my lord, certificate. It doesn't mention that she belongs to Telugu. She herself has said, my lord, page 51 in the writ petition.
So certificate regarding their
Yes.
study in.
Study certificate. If she produces, even now, my lord, will give.
Certificates regarding their study in Karnataka is not produced.
Karnataka, and her mother tongue is Telugu.
Mother.
Yes.
Which I have placed, my lords. I'll just take your lordships through that.
Show them,
My apologies.
show to them, not to the.
My lords,
court.
I have placed it on record, my lords. Annexure B, my lords.
Not the final judge. It is there, you to show.
My lords, they have not issued any endorsement. They have allotted the seat to me, but they have not saying, my lords, in writing as to what document that I have supposed to place. I have placed the documents, my lords, before your lordships to show. I have studied, my entire schooling is from Karnataka. Right from first standard all the way up till
It
12th
was
standard.
passed earlier.
My apologies.
Earlier, any order was passed by us.
No, my
Yes,
lords.
1 to 3.
Not by your lordships.
No, 1 to 3, your lordship kindly see, my lord,
Where is the order? The orders are not there. Last order. Which is the last order?
Only notice, my lords. Your lordships have passed one.
notice.
Notice was ordered.
This is the last. Any order is passed?
No, my lords. No.
Amel Kutyala.
I need interim protection, my lords. I'm praying for interim protection. My seat may, my lords, they may allot it to another candidate.
Order is passed. That's so. What is prayed by the petitioner is to direct respondent Karnataka Examination Authority to confirm the allotment of MBBS seat in category 2 capital A at the Oxford Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Bengaluru. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the allotment of seat was made by the authorities in favor of the petitioner in the first round of counseling and in the second round of counseling as per UG NEET, UG and -2024. And that the second round provisional allotment results were declared on 18/9/24 by Karnataka Examination Authority. The prayer is that petitioner may be permitted to, the further prayer is that the petitioner may be permitted to complete the formalities regarding admission. Full stop. Notice paragraph was issued by the court on 20th/9/24. Full stop. While not advocate Mr. N. K. Ramesh appears on behalf of the respondent Karnataka Examination Authority, it was stated by learned advocate for the petitioner Mr. So that respondent for college has refused to accept the notice of the court when it was sought to be served by hand summons. Full stop. In response to the prayer paragraph of the petitioner to grant interim relief, grant interim relief, it was submitted on behalf of the respondent Karnataka Examination Authority that the petitioner is yet to satisfy the authority about her holding of necessary certificate showing that she studied in the state of Karnataka and that her mother
And her mother tongue is Telugu, from 1 to 10, my lord.
mother studied.
Mother
It's
Mother
not
tongue is
studies,
Telugu.
my lords. That's the difference.
mother tongue, my lord, the school should clarify that her mother tongue is Telugu.
Studied.
Mother tongue, my lord.
And the certification by the school authorities that the mother tongue of the mother tongue is
Yes,
mother tongue of the petition is Telugu.
Telugu.
Full stop. Learned advocate for the petition stated that such certificates are produced on record of the petition. Paragraph. It is for the authorities to consider such certificates. Full stop. The petitioner may approach the authorities and produce the same by tomorrow.
Please.
Full stop. Produce the certificate by tomorrow. The respondent KEA shall examine the same and take appropriate decision.
In accordance with law.
In accordance with law.
My lords,
Put up the petition on 30th.
Yes.
my lords, until such time, let the seat that has been allotted to me not be allotted to anybody else. my lords.
Till the time the decision is taken, the seat shall remain reserved for, one seat shall remain reserved for the petitioner in the category concerned.
Please.
Then, my lord, in which event, my lord, because these seats have to go for the third round, let the petitioner go before the authority tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Honorable court said tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
And we are keeping on 30th
please.
so that it will be.
My lord, if in case, my lords, any order is passed, I'll move your lordships. Move.
So you do FS for the procedure.
Yes.
This we are keeping on 30th and it will meet the logical end.
Great. my lords.
That, yes.
Seal number 3, Omkar Kambi.
Sir, for the appellant and seal number 3, my lords. Its process has been taken out in respect of
Mr.
respondent.
Ramesh, this matter can be kept day after tomorrow.
My lord,
No,
sir,
I'm not,
Earlier one,
earlier one. Yes,
day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Monday.
No, 27th. 27th, 27th.
Number 3.
my lords, in respect of respond number 1 to 4 process has been taken out, my lords. Respect of respondent 5 to 13, my request is that these respondents are students, my lords. They have passed out and they're not agreed by the order of the learned single judge. So notice in respect of respond number 5 to 13 may be dispensed with. Is my request.
They are not served. 5 to,
My lords, respond number 5 to 13
Hmm.
are students, my lords, students of the institution, and they're not aggrieved by the order of the learned single judge, my lords.
there is no urgency. It will go to 14th November.
No, my lords, my only request is that the notice may be dispensed with in respect of students.
On that day, we'll. For the time being, the notice to the respondent students number 5 to 11.
5 to 13, my
5
lords.
to
Respondent
13 is
five
dispensed.
to 13.
For the time being, yes. 10 to 14th of.
My lords, another request, my lords, I'm sorry, there is an IA for dispensation of typed copies, my lords. We are not relying upon.
On that day, we'll do.
Please,
Number 4,
my lords, it's the same order, my lords, but respondent 6 to 21, my lords.
6 to 21, same order, yes.
number
This-
5,
Dispense with for time being, notice to 6 to
20, my lords.
21 is
6 to
dispensed.
20 in seal number 5.
5,
number 5,
My lord, seal number 5, respond number 6 to 20, my lord. Same order.
same order, 6 to 21, yes.
number 6,
My lord, same order, respondent 6 to 9.
6 to 9, 6 to 9.
number 7,
My lords, same order, respond number 6 to 19.
6 to 19.
number 18, 8,
My lords, respond number 6 and 7.
8, 6 and 7, yes.
number 9, Mr. Praveen Kumar,
My lord, same order, but respond number 6 to 29.
6 to 29.
number 10, Mr. Saravana.
It's the second respondent was the Karnataka examination board. But 2 and 3 have served the panel counsel who appeared before the learning committee.
There is no urgency.
Same matters. 2 and 3 have
Go
served
to-
the panel counsel,
let
and
it
rest
go
of the
to-
students, it may be discussed.
This will go to which date? November 20th November. All matters. So this word is over.
Number 11,
7 is also connected to serial number 10.
Not connected. Not
Same.
same. That is what we said. All are.
12,
Same.
number 13, Ali,
Copy to R2 and R4.
Serial number?
13,
13 in board, in this separate board. Separate board. In separate board.
Furnish copies, my lord.
Separate board. Correct, but separate board. Regular board. That is what I am saying, separate board. So what do you want?
Millard, I have already furnished copy to R2 and R4. And R5 to 17 are students who are not aggrieved. I may be furnished copy to the council who represented them in writ petition, Millard. And even for R3, and serve on the council, I may be permitted to serve on the council. And Millard, regarding rectification of office action, number 3, Millard, I have already submitted a DD of 2 lakhs as per the order of this honorable court. And I have furnished compliance to that effect, Millard, already.
So no Learned advocate Mr. Ansu stated that the direction observers in the order are complied with.
In
Extend out to 21st of November.
as a result, IA 1 of 22 may be allowed, my lord, CDF
Oh,
condemnation of
We'll nail on the next.
14th.
obligation.
Mr.
We'll
SP
apply
Kota.
mind on the next. Yes.
For the approval.
What is this for?
Have taken steps, my lords. We have paid the process with respect to R3 to R18. That's awaiting, my lords.
Awaiting.
Awaiting, my lords. And
20
even I've paid, deposited the amount, my lords. That's
22nd November.
Number 15.
Your lordship, serial number 15, the student has been allotted a seat in CET, your lordship.
Infectious.
It's
Learned
allotted.
advocate Miss Kavita Damodaran stated that the petitioner student has been allotted seat in medical course.
No,
CET,
engineering.
engineering,
This is sports quota, my lord, lordship.
sports quota for
Sports quota.
Two
sports quota,
certificates is
engineering.
necessary.
That way to stated that the petition does not survive as the grievance is satisfied, disposed of accordingly.
Gratefully.
List number 1. So contempt matter, seal number 1. Mr. Arun BM.
So I appear for the complainants in this. Alerts, insofar as the office objection is concerned, that the office has raised objection that the petition is barred by limitation, my lords. I've explained that at para 16 of page 13 of the petition. Paragraph number 16 may kindly be seen at internal page 13, my lords, ink page 13. Insofar as limitation is concerned, that the order in question was passed on 15/1/2021, directing the respondents 1, 4, and 5 therein to take a decision with a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of the certificate copy. The complainants have notified the accused on 2/2/2021. The accused number 2 has issued a notification dated 4/3/2022 with the consent of the accused number 1, and thereafter issued an endorsement dated 28/6/2022. That is the rate of reckoning. It is within 1 year, my lords. Then second, this objection raised by the office is why accused number 1 is made a party. He was the principal secretary at that point of time of respondent number 4.
So office objections are dispensed with. Although the office objection regarding the contempt regarding the office objections are for the time being, the office objection are dispensed with, except the office objection about the limitation in filing the contempt petition, which shall be considered by the court at the time of hearing.
Yes.
To be kept open. And is kept open. Post of the contempt may be notified on afterwards.
Please, my lords, in the admission list, my lords.
In the admission list on 21st of October.
Please, my lord.
Seal number 2. Mr. Nataraj T.
I may permitted to withdraw the contempt.
Withdrawing, learned
Permitted to withdraw
advocate
the
for the complainant seeks permission to withdraw the contempt petition by filing a memo.
Please.
Dated. By filing a memo dated 25/9/24, which is taken on record, in which it is prayed to permit the withdrawal of the contempt. Not requests. Dismissed as not request.
Number 3.
Lordship's
Ashok
kind
Kapati.
permission. Lord, impugned order is at page number 22. That is the operative portion of the order. Page number 23, my lord, that is C in an order 1C. Except construction permitted as stated.
Nothing. They have done what? Construction.
Please, I am for the complainant. The rest,
What?
please, my lord.
They are doing what kind of violation?
Yes, my lord, they are in violation of the order they have constructed.
Notice returnable on 5th, 6th November.
Notice is ordered, my lord.
Yes.
Please.
Number 4. The Mamta Gurura.
The complaint is that in spite of a positive order at page 14, undertaking is given paragraph 2. Kasturi learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of sixth respondent and on instructions from so-and-so, who is also on video conference, submits that an account of there being only a lease cum sale deed in favor of such respondent for the present. The respondent is not contemplating to sell the property, and he has sold it. Then the second order that is violated is page 16. I pray my lord's attention to page 16 now. So-and-so, the advocate appealing for respondent to submit that during the pendency of this appeal, the said respondent will not alter the nature of the properties nor create any encumbrance. Contrary to this two undertakings, kindly go to page 17. A registered deed of sale has come into existence in January and December 2024.
Now they are selling the property.
The same property, the same persons who have given undertaking to this honorable court have sold the property. Contempt is committed.
Have sold.
Notice.
Notice it. You could have gone to same court. Notice written on 20th November.
Number 5. Danish Jus Anthony.
My lord, so the page number 17, para 4 is the operative portion of the order, my lord. It's identical as of yesterday's matter, my lord. That is posted on 7/11.
Notice. Kab rakhi hai? When it is kept?
7/11, my lord. Yesterday's
7/11.
matter.
That's one.
Number 6.
Same,
Same.
my lord. It has to be heard, my lord. 7.
Yes, Mr. Same. It is your matter.
Same.
So what is to be done?
Same day, my lord. Maybe notice.
This is a short question order.
This also may be taken on 7/11.
I have filed the compliance affidavit. Your Lordship.
Everything like that. Same, 890. 890. So we are on 891.
Yeah.
891.
2 years.
Yeah, 891.
892, right? 892. 892. Previous, 891. 891.
Affidavit 882.
But affidavit is of 892 minutes.
So the articles are in 892. Where are the articles?
My lords, what happens is that,
891.
my lord, what happens is that there will be some allegations will be filing, raised and based on that a complaint will be filed. And my lord, based at the strength of that complaint and FIR will be raised. And invoking my lords, on 191 and 102, the police will be seizing the gold from the finance.
In the order which is based, on which the present order is based, mentions that if articles are already produced before the jurisdictional court, the learned magistrate is requested to release the same in favor of the petitioner. So what is the state of affairs?
My lords, in 892, they had filed the complaints.
We are on 891.
891, my lords, it is still not, order is not complained with. Order is not complained. We are not aware where it is.
What way it is not compliant?
My lord, the order is in paragraph number 4.
Find out whether these articles are produced before the court or not. He has observed in this.
Yes, sir. All the matters are in the P.
First, all this is also first.
892, your lordship, in that.
Both first, next.
My lords, maybe on 7th of November, my lords, all the matters.
Oh, let's say on 10th or to 7th of November as requested by learned advocate for the. petition.
Notice maybe.
No notice.
My lord, sorry for interrupting. Sorry, my lords. The secondly is the serial number 13 and 14. My lords have given the connected matters on 20th 11, my lords. But my lords given on 22nd. So
20th 11.
Yes, my lord.
20th 11. Which is the serial number?
Mine is 14, my lords, and the
11.
14, my lords.
20th.
It's 20th. Much.
How did you kill your 22nd? This is number 7.
Your Lordship, during the
Venkatesh TS.
during the subsistence of the interim protection, the sale agreement was executed, Your Lordship. In this connection, because may I request Your Lordship, in this case, we have filed a suit for partition, Your Lordship. In that, in the partition suit, we filed application 39-192. In that, the interim order was granted, Your Lordship. And the OS got rejected rejected, Your Lordship. Then we preferred RFA before this honorable court, Your Lordship. The division bench with order dated 14/12/2022 not to precipitate any further proceedings, Your Lordship. Here also we have filed application 39-192, Your Lordship. Despite of that, in March during the subsistence of the interim protection, they have executed a sale agreement. May I request Your Lordship to page number 22, Your Lordship. This is the order in RFA 1300 of 22. Beg Your Lordship to page number 22. And that said order is extended, and at page number 31, it is until further orders, Your Lordship. It is granted until further orders, Your Lordship. Page number 31, until further.
Yeah. Which page?
As Your Lordship, page number 22 is the page number 22 of Annexure A, Your Lordship. Annexure A, page number 22, Your Lordship. The order of 1300 of 2022, Your Lordship.
Which is the order not complied with?
Your Lordship, in this order, this has been violated, Your Lordship.
Which order? Which page?
Page number 22, Your Lordship.
22.
Violation is sorry, Your Lordship, may I request Your Lordship to, page number 74 is the agreement of sale, Your Lordship. Page number 74 is the agreement of sale. That was executed on 30/3/2023, Your Lordship.
No, this is interim order. Order dated 14/12/22, passed by learned single judge in the pending regular first appeal number 1300/22, which is brought under the contempt jurisdiction of this court, is admitted in interim order. Full stop. The parent proceedings or main proceedings of the appeal are pending at large on merits to be considered by the court concerned. No final rights are crystallized for the parties. In their few paragraph, this court is not inclined to entertain the contempt petition by invoking the contempt. Final order is passed.
Your Lordship, in this final order has been passed. You allowed
They're asking which order is not complied with.
Your Lordship, in this case, page number 22 is the interim order, Your Lordship. Despite of that interim order, they have executed a sale agreement, Your Lordship. That is my humble submission. Not to.
So what is the final order in appeal?
Writ appeal in that restored, so original suit has been restored, Your Lordship.
So what is the violation?
Violation is that during the subsistence of interim order not to execute any sale, they have executed a sale agreement, Your Lordship. That I have produced at page number 74, Your Lordship. During the subsistence of interim protection, Your Lordship.
Notice and disposal. Notice 23rd November.
Seal number 8. CH-1.
This is in respect of gratuity payable to the professors. It is the relevant portion is at page 14, my lord, at para 8. Your lordship, yesterday.
Notice 25th November.
My lord, 24/10 is the date given by your lordship. in this group against the same order. Yesterday it had come up, my lord.
2410, okay.
Much.
Number 9, Mr. Murthy K.
My lord, this matter order complied. Yesterday I filed memo in the office, my lord, to withdraw the petition.
Complaint, learned advocate for the complaint stated that the order and the complaint is complied with. And
Lords,
the
my
memo
affidavits may be taken on
in that
record.
regard is also filed. Learned additional government advocate, Ms. Pramodini Kishan paragraph, also files affidavit indicating the compliance of the order. Full stop. In your favor, nothing serves in the present petition. This dispose of is not surviving. Next.
This is number 10, Mr. Shantaraju. Number 10, Mr. Shantaraju.
Beyond witness.
Number 11, Mr. B.S. Nagaraj.
Order at annexure A, page 10, my lord, para 3. They have not carried out the ODA and Durasti work. I have made the application in pursuant to the annexure A at page annexure B. my lord. Para 3, taking note of the limited prayer made out annexure A for Podi and Durasti, the petition is to be disposed of to consider limited prayer sought for observation of paragraph 4 in WP.
So no time limit is fixed.
In this para 5, learned council petitioner specifically asserts that application online was sought to be submitted, which was not accepted. In the light of the admitted requirements, filing application online if the petitioner files online, same to be registered.
It's only with regard to the filing of the application.
But I will, in the para page 15, as a matter of fact, I am a poor agriculturist, so I don't know how to apply the truth online. So kindly consider and accept this application through online to yourself only, and consider my application of the said land, Podi and Durasti in page 15 is my application. To transfer the kata in my name as per the orders of the Honorable High Court as per.
On a single judge by order dated 25th September 2023, dispose of the writ petition to inter-alia direct that the petitioner shall make an online application for Durast and Podi in terms of circular dated 15/2/22. It is further observed that if such application is made, the same shall be considered according to seniority and disposed of appropriately. It is the above directions which are brought under paragraph contempt jurisdiction. Full stop. It could be immediately noticed that on one hand, the direction is to consider the application in accordance with seniority
If filed
of seniority of the applications pending before the competent authority. On the other hand, no time limit is fixed by the court for the purpose of compliance. In the aforesaid view, it could not be said that any of the respondents have paragraph committed contempt, much less willful contempt in respect of the directions. It will be open for the petitioner to put the authorities to notice as to time limit for compliance. Accordingly, the present contempt petition is not entertained at this stage and disposed and stands disposed.
Number 12, Rajat, yeah.
For the petitioner, the petition arises out of annexure A, non-compliance and willful disobedience. Can we see page 20, my lord? There is a specific direction to the father, that is the respondent, to pay a sum of ₹10,000 per month to the mother as maintenance pending the consideration of the IA by the court below. Now that has not been paid. At annexure F, I have produced a screenshot where I have said I have received only ₹5,000 and not ₹10,000 as ordered by the court at page 44. And still the respondent willfully disobeys the orders of the court and does not come forward to pay this amount. Now this arises out of a petition filed by.
Oh, so amount is not paid?
Not paid, my lord.
Notice returnable on. 7th November.
Grateful.
Happy for the petitioner, Your Lordship. This contempt petition is filed based on the non-compliance of the order passed by this honorable court in WP 1827 of 2022.
Notice 20th November.
My lord, the order of termination has been set aside by the court, my lord. And also the court has directed that in view of his age, he's around 70 years now. He has to be paid all the consequential benefits, my lord.
No time limit is fixed.
No time has been fixed. Your lordship, in the similar matter of the same, against the same company, your lordship has passed an order which says that within 6 weeks, if they don't comply with, you can, the court can, he was the
Same manner.
same manner, man. I'll furnish another copy. Much.
I'm for petition. The page number 11, the respondent has not complied the order within 4 weeks from the date of the order. I pray your lordship attention.
Notice written on 13th November.
This number 16 for orders. Mr. B.C. Prabhakar.
Lord, this is the batch pertaining to the Miscellaneous. My lords heard the matter.
So all are there now?
Yes, please.
So we are reserving the order.
Yes.
Heard, so give the appearance and then. So and so heard all learned advocates' name at length. They stated on behalf of the respective parties that they argued the appeals finally. They further stated that the pleadings are complete. They are reserved for judgment.
This seal number 17. Rajay.
Hearing applicant.
Office objection. 17.
Office objection.
17. Tomorrow morning. There is some hitch in finalizing. Sorry. Tomorrow morning, may will notify it or notify 2:30 tomorrow.
Please.
Please, sir.
But any interim order is operated
In trial, a single judge.
In the appeal, there is no interim.
by this court, then
No.
we extend that. If not,
There's no interim order.
Here, lordships are not granted. Lordships, we understand, will, the writ appeal itself would be disposed of.
huh? Yes.
Yes,
Possible. You wait for the order.
very well.
But Mr. Kama, that this stage, that date has gone 24/9.
I'm sorry.
Date 24/9 has gone, extended date.
24/9. As of now,
Not, the writ
that
petition.
is extended. Single judge, learned single judge has extended yesterday. He has extended it and posted beyond vacation.
The 18 urgent, bill number 19, it's a PL matter. Srimati Sneha Nagaraj.
It is 2:15. 2:15 notice. 2:30.
Your Lordship, this is a public interest litigation filed by a senior lawyer and a certified mediator. This is regarding enforcing one of the directives passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the Common Cause judgment. The Common Cause judgment provided certain directions to bring into effect the advance medical directives, also called as the living will. Prayer is at page 21 of the petition. We also filed 2 RTI applications. Where respondent number 2, which is the Ministry of Health, replied saying that they don't have any information with regard to having implemented the directives passed by the Supreme Court in the judgment. The only difficulty today is
Notice. written
obliged.
Thank you. You have to take instruction.
My lord, I'll take respondents 1 and 2.
Notice written on 25th, 29th October.
Obliged.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Learned additional government advocate Srimati Nilofer Akbar accepts notice. Post of. She shall take instructions in the matter on the next date.
Grateful.
My lord, notice will have to go to respondent number 3.
Rest of the respondents will be.
3
sought.
people will take notice. Grateful, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Srinand, A. Pachapure.
Please, Millards. Not so this is a public interest litigation, Millards. Millards, the petitioners here are the villages of a Malabi village, which is located at the Vijayanagar district, Millards, and Hagribamman Hali Taluk, Millards. But since from 2001, Millards, they are agitating and protesting against the government not to establish a MSIL shop, Millards. It's a liquor shop, which is being licensed, is given to the corporation. In respect of this, Millards, several representation from two. Millards, in partial, Millards, the state government, Millards, the deputy commissioner has given a recommendation that it has to be shifted to some other village. It's only Annexure P, Millards, your lordship may see, Millards. Annexure P. It's a letter by the MLA, Millards. He says it has to be established at Malavi village and not at Ambli village. Annexure P would be the relevant, Millards. When the entire village is against that, Millards, they don't want a liquor shop. Annexure P may be seen, Millards. It's a letter by the MLA, Millards. M and N are, Millards, 2 reports. One is by the deputy commissioner saying he recommends that it has to be shifted to other village because there is a protest from the Malavi village. And there is a recommendation by MSIL who also support the villagers saying that it is not required when people are protesting over there. It is not required. It is only, Millards, Annexure P. At page, your lordship may see page, Millards, Annexure P. It's a letter by the ML. He says, no, you don't renew it at Malavi village. You should cancel it. And it has to be established at Malavi village itself, Millards. Annexure P, Millards, page.
By filing this public interest petition, the petitioners have prayed for direction to the respondents to decide their different representations which are pending with the authorities for the decision. The representations are in respect, the grievance in the representation are in respect of establishment of liquor shop in the Malawi village, Taluka Agri Bommanhalli, district Vijayanagar. Petitioners who are the villagers have a word in paragraph 4 of the petition. Some of the village people who are the only bread earner of their family died in 2019 on account of consumption of high alcohol. Full stop. Petitioners have highlighted that in order to protect the health, wealth, and family of the villagers, the liquor shop should not be permitted to be run and opened in the village. It was submitted that the members of the agriculture and laborer class waste their money in liquor, in consuming liquor, and would indirectly affect and that affects the well-being and the welfare of the family members. Full. It is therefore prayed that the respondent authorities may not be permitted to establish the liquor shops in Malawi village. It was also stated that some notorious people from Nellu Kudari 2, NWLUKUDARI, Nellu Kudari 2, regular 2, came to Malawi village, took signature of the villagers of the village and fraudulently represented it about giving consent to open the liquor shop in the village. It is stated that the Deputy Commissioner of Vijayanagar received license in respect of property number 187/K of Malawi village to open the liquor shop, which has the potent ill effects on the society and the inhabitants of the village. Full stop. It is true that currency and consumption of liquor is a social menace and more often than not, becomes threat to the fabric of the family and the members of the family find it difficult to handle the other members who waste their money and time in consumption of liquor. However, the opening of liquor shop in the village, etc., would ultimately, in ultimate analysis, depend upon the policy of the authorities followed in that regard. Paragraph. About the grievance of the petitioners, they have already made a representation to the authorities not to permit the liquor shop. Full stop. Since the representations are pending, the authorities are directed to look into the representation and take an appropriate decision, considering the grievance of the village people, and communicate such decision. to the, to petition number 1, who shall receive the same behalf of all the other petitions. Petition number 1, within 3 months, within 2 months from today.
Please.
Obliged.
Great.
The petition is accordingly disposed, has not entertained.
Number 21.
To above observation. Yes. 21 is what?
I appear for the
Petitioner in the first
petitioner's
matter.
counsel in this matter.
In terms of the order passed by the Honorable Para 3, Your Lordship, on 12th August.
After vacation.
We filed our suggestions, Your Lordship, in terms of the order dated 12th
Will
August.
implement after
Para 3,
22nd of
please.
October.
Now here, the twin question that arise for consideration. All the PPP advertisements that are put up in the city, they were required to do 2 things. Number 1, take prior permission for putting up the advertisement. They have only taken the lease of the property. That has not been taken. Last year, that is 2023, this Honorable Court was pleased to order that they are required to furnish all the details of the prior permissions taken. And we further state, I quote from the order, after 3 weeks, if it is reported to this court that the hoardings or flexes or banners or advertisement material are erected unauthorizedly against each of such hoardings, cost of 1 lakh rupees is to be deposited in this court. Out of 1 lakh rupees, a sum of 50,000 to be deposited with the respondent BPMP, a sum of 50,000 is to be deposited by state. Now, till this day, it has not been shown that they have taken any prior permission. Over 400 crores, they are required to pay taxes. They have not paid the taxes.
All on 22nd. Yes.
And one more submission, Lordship. Now in the light of, because of illegal hoarding, now LED signs have been put up on the public streets, Your Lordship. I filed a memo to the effect on the 23rd.
On
Let them
20
give response to that, Your Lordship.
Reserve energy for
LED signs, it causes
Number
more danger. actually,
22,
compared to other.
Second down.
number 22,
Glaring light, it will be reflect on a.
My lord,
so motor writ petition.
my lord,
20.
Proceedings has been initiated
It is also PA.
regarding compliances of the orders.
My lord,
This
could-
honorable court. I had filed a synopsis, my lord, my written submissions. And they sought for time to provide their comments with respect of the suggestions which are contained in the synopsis, my lord. And
my lord, could it just be passed over, my lord? The learned advocate general is coming.
Directions. No. This also will take up in. Set for further consideration. Will state for further consideration. On. No.
Fifth November.
My lord, date, my lord?
5th November.
Oh, obliged.
So 23 urgent, so number 24, writ appeal. Nandita Ardipur.
May it please, my lord. This is the government's appeal, my lord. In respect,
Urgency is that.
I'm so sorry, my lord.
What is the urgency?
One of the urgency is twofold factors, my lord. Once paragraph 83, may I please, thank you. Once paragraph 83 has been struck down, no person categorized as international worker can access his PF. No person who's an international worker under EPF Act, because of this
There
impute.
is no urgency.
My lord, they cannot access their PF at all. The reason being, my lord, may I only be with one second, my lord, only 1 second. The judgment says nobody, international worker. So there are 30,000 Indians employed abroad. They cannot claim any money from us today, my lord, because of this suspension of this system, my lord. Secondly, all the foreigners working in India, my lord, they have been writing to us that they wish to access their PF from India. Even they cannot do that, my lord.
24th of October, sir. Next.
Yeah, please.
Number 25,
He's saying no urgency. What do we do? Obliged.
KK Vasant.
Yes, what is the urgency?
I appear for the appellant. Lord, it's the fifth
Here for opponent,
appellant.
appellant. What is the urgency?
But urgency is that in view of the order passed by the learned single judge,
Podium Durasti, no urgency. 25th, 29th of October. Next. 26.
December 26.
the order, notice may be ordered, my lord, by then. Notice may be ordered to the respondent.
Notice returnable on 29th October.
26, serial number 26. Sita Ramesh.
Next week,
Lordship-
my lord.
Lordship-
appear for respondent 6, my lord.
What is the?
There is urgency, my lords. May I pass on the list of
What
events?
is the subject matter?
Subject matter is regarding the grant of the property, my lords.
Pardon?
Learned Single Judge has heard in relating back the grant on 1989. May I pass on the list of events, my lords? Kindly. Ma'am.
Will have to next up to the
Third of,
Lordship.
next.
My lords, there is urgency, my lords, with regard to the property being alienated. There may be status quo granted, my lords.
You move learned vacation, judge. There is no urgency. Yes.
Ravindra K.
matter pertains to.
What is the subject matter? This is what writ appeal.
Matter pertains to change of date of birth of the appellant. ma'am. She was worked as a music teacher.
Date of birth in service record. 5th November.
Much.
But 28, state appeal.
Notice
Not I
returnable on 7th November. Delay.
Lifeline.
Sir, complaints in contempt matter, serial number 29.
That's, they have filed a compliance affidavit. That's, I think by mistake, they've forgotten a date to be mentioned. The order of the single judge was, it should be in accordance with the seniority list. That's dated April 2021. That, that's if they're okay with it, the matter can be disposed of with that observation.
You are for complainant.
Yes, that's.
Lords, we have given the promotion, my lords, to the complainants, and we have filed the compliance affidavit also, my lords.
Yes.
That's might see paragraph number 3.
R1.
That we don't have any issue with it. That's the issue is only that if I do not have a mention of the date of the seniority, that's again, it would be a round of litigation. If Millards may observe that and it may be disposed of, because even if I go anywhere, Millards, that should be a finding at all.
Where is the compliance?
My lords, I filed it on
13/8/2024.
13/8.
I furnished to the honorable court, my lords.
13/8, there is no.
It was physically handed over, Millards.
Physically handed out is 2/8/2024.
2/8 is here. 2/8/24 is here.
Annexure R1 is the compliance minutes. That is the notification issue,
Yes.
giving the promotion from chief officer grade 2 to chief officer grade 1.
That's
This is
page
a
number.
this is a notification promoting the petition.
Yes, Millards, promoting the order of the single judge was, Millards, my turn to page number 9 of the
Seniority is
complaint.
not reflected.
The seniority is not reflected, Millards, which is, Millards, otherwise, again, it would be a round of litigation.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Millards, there are a batch of,
Mahesh,
Millards, hang on.
Pradeep Kumar.
My
Yes,
lord,
madam.
serial number
Pradeep Kumar is speaking it,
5.
so it is as per seniority?
10,
Yes, madam.
page 10, serial number 5 minutes.
Yes, it is as per seniority.
No, it is not as per seniority. What is happening is there are juniors who have been promoted. So I had to move a writ petition. Just one date, Millards, if they're okay with it, the petition can be disposed of.
My
Otherwise,
lords,
again,
may I
it
make
would-
one submission with this regard, my lords? The rules have come into cadre and recruitment rules have been.
The claim of the petitioner in the writ petition was for promotion to the post of chief officer.
Millards, it's a set of petitioners, Millards. It's a batch of 10 petitioners.
Petitioners.
Yes,
Petition.
Millards.
Claim of the 10 petitioners who filed the petition was for promoting them to the post of chief officer grade 1 by order dated 13th September 23, done a single judge because of the petition
The operative
to
portion is at
observe that for the purpose of claim, for the purpose of entitlement to be promoted, the petitioner had relied on seniority list dated 21/4/21. The full stop learner single judge in that context directed respond 2 and 3 authorities to consider the request of the petitioners and pass approved orders in accordance with law, keeping in mind the seniority list, full stop, pursuant to the notice issued in the present contempt proceedings, respondent's authority has filed compliance affidavit dated 2/8/24, along with which, notification dated 1/8/24 is issued, is produced, full stop. In the said notification issued by the Karnataka Government Secretariat, Vikasa Sauda, Bengaluru, 14 officers are shown to have been promoted, full stop. In the said notification, name of the petitioner figures at seal number 5. Full
No,
stop.
that's even in the contempt, it's a batch of complainants. All the batch of complainants have been promoted.
Seal number 5, full stop. In the aforesaid view, the grievance to the aforesaid extent of the petitioner could be said to have been satisfied, for which there is no dispute, full stop. Learned advocate for the complainant, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary, however, submitted that the direction of the learned single judge was to consider the case in accordance with the seniority list dated 21/4/21, and that the seniority of the petitioner in the aforesaid promotional notification is not reflected.
That's the only.
So it was stated that placing the petitioner at seal number 5 in the notification does not reflect his seniority, full stop. The paragraph, learned additional government advocate, good Ms. Pramodini Kishan could not dispute the factum that in the direction of learned single judge, seniority list dated 21/4/21 was required to be kept in mind by the respondents while passing the appropriate orders, full stop. Therefore, it is observed and provided that the promotion of the petitioner reflected is provided that the promotion of the petitioner as reflected in the aforesaid notification dated so and so will be treated as per the seniority.
That's one request, my lord.
As
It's not
reflected in
petitioner, my
the
lord.
aforementioned list.
It's not
May I
petitioner,
make
my lord, it's
one-
petitioners. There are 11 complainants before this court.
All the
It's not-
petition. all
It's
the
petitioners, all the petitioners.
All the petition.
My lords, one
my
submission, my
lord,
lords,
that's-
one submission, my lords.
So you just mark the order, I'll correct it.
Yeah.
Lords, one submission, my lords.
Not subject to the above observations, the present contempt proceeding is disposed.
Lords,
Take-
rules have come into place in 2022, my lords. We have to take into account even the rules. Cadre and recruitment rules have been amended, my lords.
So the single judge is specifically.
Single judge has seen that.
Specifically said.
Yes, specifically mentioned that.
Will only go by direction.
I'm sorry, my lord, I'm repeating petitioners.
We'll
Yes,
correct it. I'll
yes,
correct it.
yes. Grateful.
Number 30.
And finalizing, I'll correct.
Yes, grateful.
All the petitions will be taken care of. All the petitions will be taken care of.
Yes, my lord, it's fine.
Serial number 30, my lord, I appear
Around
for
10 minutes for the complainant to
respondent, my
discuss.
lords.
Pardon?
Respondent, my lords. Compliance affidavit has been filed, my lords.
My lord,
As per
complaints
requested by
affidavit
this
only to
honorable
the
court.
effect of the interim order passed by this honorable court, only to that effect. But my lord, the joint memo was filed before the family court. That order, my lords, after 26/5/2024, the no visitation has been granted to the father in terms of the joint memo. Joint memo, my lord's order is at page number 46 of the petition. Page number 46.
Page number
Or, my lords,
46.
46. Order dated 4/7, both parties filed joint memo, and thereafter pursuant to that, my lords, on 5/7/2023, order was passed. My lord will find it at page number 48, 49.
The petitioner shall have visitation from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on 9/7/2023 and so and so. Visitation shall be extended from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all
Is a
Saturdays.
boy or girl?
Girl child, my lord. 9 years old girl child.
Aged?
The age 9 years, my lord. The child
9
sometimes is hesitating, my
Nine.
lord.
9 years.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. The child is hesitating. I am having little problem
Child
with
is-
Please, my lord, child is very comfortable. My
What
lord.
do you want today?
My lord, visitation, my lords, has not been exercised. My lords, can order dated 23/5/2024 of this honorable court.
I-
In this petition, in this contempt proceedings, my lords. 23/5/2024.
So which is the direction not complied with?
My lords, order dated 5/7/2023.
5,
5/7/2023, page number 47.
5/7, 2023. That long order. Where is that 5/7?
Page number 46, it starts from page number 46.
It
Until-
starts at page 42, ends at 51.
That's a
46,
trial court order, my
46,
lord.
ends at page 50.
ends at 51.
Yes, fine.
So where are the directions?
My lords, page number 50, my lords. Page number 49. None of these things have been complained, my lords. In fact, my lords, she changes the school. When I go and try to make the payment,
The
school fees.
child is with whom? Father.
With the mother, my lord.
She's with the mother, child is with the mother.
Why this direction? The parties agreed that they shall at all time act in Amara's best interest, and if the child wants the mother to accompany her. Why such direction if he is in the custody of mother?
My lords, unsupervised visitation was
The
granted.
child is in the custody of mother.
Please, my lord.
Why this direction is issued that the mother may accompany whenever child desires?
My lords, just in case, if at all, if the child feels uncomfortable or if she requires 9 years of age, only that circumstances, my lords, if not unsupervised visitation. If my lord can see the operative portion, my lords, of the order, before to that para number 3, my lords, of the order, trial court's order at page number 47. Trial court observes, my lords.
So what is the problem with him?
My lords, I am not getting visitation at all.
Your father?
Father,
Yes, let
No.
the father remain
My
present.
lord, it's an incorrect statement, my lord. I have been made all the arrangements and he's been regularly visiting, my lord. Only thing is I have not kept track of those. I have CCTV footages to show that every weekend he is coming there. He is talking to the child and he is exercising his rights, my lord. And as a mother, I don't want to come in between, my lord. I have made it very clear, my lord, that I am facilitating with the child also. It's a growing up child, my lord. Now, between the common order, my lord, it's a joint memo. With consent only the memo was passed. It's not a court order. Now the situation has little changed, my lord. The child is not reciprocating in the way where I had admitted in the year 2023 at the time of drawing the joint memo. Now the situation had changed. So therefore, he is now pointing out only to that.
Parties shall remain present before the court along with the child.
please, my lord.
Since there is a rival claim about the compliance of the directions.
Please.
Full stop. Send over to.
After vacation.
Any date, when you enter the court.
21st of October.
Great, sir.
21. No, Swami NBN.
Okay, for the complaint.
Complied.
While they have not complied with the order, they have found fault with the advertisement. Then my,
Sir, may I make submission? We were in the way of complying, my lords. They have obtained a stay order. All that we had written to the institution is comply, send the list as per the amended AICT regulations, which we are bound to consider, my lords. Now they have gone and got a stay order to the very same communication issued to the institution. We were on the way of complying, my lords, the order.
it is against the Supreme Court. This advertisement is based on a backlog vacancy. Backlog vacancy rules applies and not the AICT regulations.
But some order is passed then.
Stay order is there. They themselves have
Based
taken.
on Supreme Court order, saying the advertisement is on backward vacancies. The rules are separate. They cannot apply AICT. That is the way.
It is stayed.
Let's say, we are eligibility criteria has to be.
This very order is stayed now.
No, this
No,
order is not state.
No, it's the communication which we wrote to the institution to send another proposal in terms of amended AICT regulation as per the eligibility criteria. That order they have got it stayed, my lords. The very compliance has been stalled now.
No, compliance is whether the select list which has been sent has to be approved or not. If they are saying that the advertisement is wrong.
We'll
send-
examine on 23rd, so next.
Much.
Number 32.
Same. It's very
Same.
Number 33. To Satish K. 33.
Counsel for complaint notes. Your Lordship may have this matter next week. No?
Beyond vacation.
I filed a compliance.
11th November. That it.
Endorsement is issued, Lord. We have implemented the order and I filed a copy of it.
Next, 34.
34, I appear, my lord. Lord, I appear for the
Lord, could
34.
I seek some more time? My lord, I have sought for assistance from some other departments with regard to getting information on the sale invoice.
No, we are keeping this for orders.
my lord with
Then my lord may take my statement of objections as my arguments.
Necessary getting
Yeah, very well.
Monday.
Hmm?
Monday for orders.
very well.
On IA only. That.
I
Yes,
am, my
yes.
lord. It's for contempt, violating the interim orders of this on.
My lord, but I had sought for assistance from some other department so that I could get a copy of an invoice and place it before my lords.
Till render our decision, you can proceed with your instructions and seeking.
My lord, it's only to assist my lord because they are not
We
producing.
argued extensively. We have taken everything.
My lord, for 3 months they have taken adjournments for a contempt to obey the order.
So we don't want to prolong any matter.
Very well.
Yes.
Very well.
Number 35. So I appear for the appellant in this matter.
Hmm.
My lords, delay of 186 days has been notified, my lords, by the registry. My lords, according to our calculations, my lords, the delay is of 86 days, my lords, and IA has been filed at page number 180.
Learned advocate says that the delay is only of
86 days, my lords.
86 instead of
187.
180 days. It is open to the petitioner to satisfy the registry in this regard. Put up after vacation. Next.
Number
Regarding pension, ma'am,
36.
is only regarding pension. And regarding pension, payment of pension,
Which one?
this 35.
35 pension, all now after holidays. Yes.
Number 36.
36, I appear for the
Complaints in
complainant,
contempt
my lord.
matters.
The accused had sought time that they would be filing counter affidavit. This is a matter, my lord, where the order of the learned single judge is of July 2023. It is for selection to the post of professor. Single post, my lord, the order has been confirmed by this honorable court.
Your lordships have filed a writ appeal in the matter. It was listed before Court Hall 2 today. I would request your lordships that the contempt writ appeal, your lordships.
Writ appeal was listed for the 5th time for non-compliance. 5th time for
Lordship,
non-compliance.
done it
Filed in
single-
respect of the order brought under contempt, stand over to 20th November.
Your lordships may tag the writ appeal with the contempt. Writ appeal 1628 of 2023. Your lordships may please tag the matter with the contempt.
To be tagged with writ appeal number
1628 of 23.
1628 of
23.
23. 23, no.
2023.
23 will not come here, so will not take it.
Your lordships, the writ appeal was filed on the very day the contempt has been filed. For some reason, the yes, your lordship.
The writ appeal comes before Court Hall 2.
It's before Court
That
Hall
is-
2.
That both remain, you obtain appropriate orders in the writ appeal
Or, yeah, then your lordships may have this matter after vacation.
after it.
Also, your lordships, there's an SLP also pending from the writ appeal order of this court.
May I request for a date in the country?
20th November.
Great.
Grateful, your lordship.
Number 37. Jagan Mohan.
I undertake to file wakalat for the accused. I undertake to file wakalat for the accused.
Compliance character, when do you complain?
Well, it's 2 weeks' time to file my complaints.
And record which so and so appears and seeks permission to file wakalatnama. He stated that within 2 weeks it will be complied
Please.
with.
I shall secure instructions, my lords.
He stated that within 2 weeks, order shall be complied with, comma, time is granted up to 22nd November to comply with the order.
Please.
Put up on 22nd November.
Great.
Number 38.
My lord,
Yes,
here
Nanda.
for the respondent, my lord, I have filed wakalat, my lord, for respondent number 2 today, my lord. And in the meanwhile, my
Oh,
lord.
like 22nd October. Yes, next.
Number 39.
Yes, I appear for
Mahesh?
respondent, my lord. Filing my counter affidavit, my lord, that count, the contempt petition, my lord, is not, do not survive for consideration because the interim order, they are saying that they have disobeyed the order, my lord. Then it has merged with the final order, my lord. Thereafterwards, appeal was filed and appeal dismissed. Thereafterwards, we filed a writ petition. In the writ petition, there is an interim order, my lord, granted by this honorable court, my lord. I have stated so, my lord, in para 3-1, kindly see, my lord, para 3-1 of my counter. Isn't
24th October.
Please.
Yes, next.
What else is?
Number 40. Mr. Chandrasekhar L.
My lord, I appear for petitioner, my lord. My lord, it's more than 1 year, my lord, no compliance has not been filed.
What is the direction? Let us-
It's a direction, it's a positive direction to affect Kata and mutation and OD, my lord.
Writ
The
appeal has been
second round
Writ
litigation.
appeal has been filed, my lords.
Writ appeal is learned additional government and states the writ appeal number
1331 of 24, my lords.
133/24. Both also the present contempt petition and the writ appeal shall both be listed on 29th of October.
Shorter date, my lord.
Number 41. Mr. Satish K.
Much obliged.
Appearing for complaint. I'm appearing for complaint. They have not complied the order of the single judgment.
Is reinstated.
Please, madam. Reinstatement and consequential.
Who will appear?
Mr. Keshav Murthy.
27th of this month.
Number 42. So Janardhan G. 42.
One single judge.
Government order has been passed, my lords, to release the year, sir. It's in Kannada minutes. Today it has been.
Give. Given copy to
Sir.
Now.
as per the direction contained in the order of learned single judge brought under the contempt. So respond to was directed to consider the representation of petitioner. The grievance was about extension of benefit of 7th AICTE pay scale. Full stop. Today when the contempt petition came up for consideration, paragraph, learned additional government Advocate Ms. Pramodini Kishan produced copy of the endorsement order. Thereby, it is granted.
Please, my lords.
By the benefit is granted to the petition.
Sorts, now they say today, madam, 25/9.
Today now.
Order, subject to the confirmation lordship.
No, learned advocates could not dispute the factum of passing of the aforesaid order, public endorsement dated so and so. Full stop. In that view, in any case, there is a substantial compliance of the order. The contempt proceedings are no more required to be continued. They are disposed of. Any grievance on the merits of the order, public endorsement produced by learned additional government advocate could be subject matter of independent proceedings for its consideration on merits by the petitioner. Full stop. Reserving such liberty, however, without expressing any opinion, the proceedings are disposed of.
Number 43. So Amrutesh NP.
My lords, for the respondent in this matter, my lords, I'm yet to file my objections in this. Kindly, I need some time, my lords, to file
They've
my
not
objections.
complied with the matter, your lordship.
What is the direction? Representation not considered.
Your Lordship,
Consider the representation of petitioner by Indian Oil Corporation.
they've not considered. They asked us to do it online. We do it online. They once again give a letter notice saying reconstituted, apply it online once again. We've done that also, Your Lordship. To this day, they've not.
My lords, we have considered it and we have rejected it for certain reasons. My
They've
lords,
not been-
I might be granted some time to file my objections, my lord. It's ready.
Where is the order of rejection? Where is the order of rejection of representation? Mr. Counsel, Mr. Pritham, where is the order of rejection of representation?
My lords, that's what I'll put it across in my objections, my lord. They have suppressed that fact, my lords. That is what.
Appearing online, learned counsel for the respondent, Mr. So and so stated that the order is complied with as the representation said it. However, nothing figures on the record of the proceedings.
My lords, I may be permitted to file my objections.
If the order is passed in towards compliance, the same shall be produced in record of the proceedings of the court before the next date put upon 5th November 2020.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
So ready notice matter, seal number 44. Mr. J.R. Mohan.
Query for petitioner in this case, my lord. In this case, the respondents have stopped the construction of the road when it was halfway through.
After vacation.
My lord, yesterday and day before, my lord was pleased to pass orders in a petition, say, my lord, to consider the representation. My lord has granted 3 months' time.
Same. Within
Yeah.
3. We'll not set down the time limit. As expeditiously as possible.
Obliged.
Expeditiously.
Appearance.
Number 45.
About petitioner, ma'am.
To Vasant Kumar.
Respondent has objected. Yet they have not filed.
Not filed.
Not filed.
All right. The objections are not filed. Stand over to 19th November.
Number 46.
My lord, no instructions
Nayak.
were given in that to construct the road.
So none is present. Stand over to 26th November.
47. Mr. Nayak, NR.
My lord, connected, my lord, this and 26 may be called on 20.
Adjourned. To be adjourned.
Well, and actually the applications have been considered.
Adjourn it.
Well, 26, my lord,
26th November.
applied.
Number 48. The Saravana S.
I see. This matter to be taken immediately after vacation, not
Why?
senior counsel is signed.
Leaves, I will not leave this.
Then the next week pass over minutes.
No,
Next week pass over, not senior counsel engages.
no, let us see what is it.
Lordship may see the case minutes.
This is PIL.
Not the time period minute for lifting the mines.
This is PIL.
No, my lord,
No.
not a PI. He filed the statement.
Not the lease period was valid up to 21/9/23. Thereafter, not the orders. There was a requirement of orders to be passed by Department of Mines and Geology as well as the Department Forest.
All right. Rule returnable on.
Interim order.
No. 9th December. Yeah, next.
Number 49. Mr. Rudrappa P. Yeah.
Yes.
Not the.
My lord, I filed a memo in this matter. Lord, to say that the committee has been formed. My lord, I filed a memo on 27th August 2024.
This can go.
I have also filed a memo.
7th November.
Obliged.
Short date may be given, my lord. Short date may be
Short
given.
Only 2 points you can tell.
22nd November.
Sorry, my lord, earlier.
Not possible.
Tell
But
me.
which date do you want? 7th or 22nd?
It is the matter of recruitment only. my lord.
22nd November. Next.
Seal number 50. Mr. Rajesh Shetty. Seal number 50. Mr. Rajesh Shetty.
Serial number?
50.
What is it about?
Rajesh Shetty. R. Lokanath, party in person.
Nobody is there. 29th November.
Till number 51.
My lords, for the respondent number two, my lords, I was actually, I served because I represented the respondent number two before the single judge bench, my lords. But I have no instructions to appear, my lords. I filed a memo in this regard. My name may be deleted and notice may be issued to respondent number two, my lords.
So and so stated.
My lords.
He has filed memo
Art.
to
Art
state
is-
that
Can
she
we
is
make a
not
submission, my lords?
appearing on behalf of respondent two.
Respondent number two, my lords.
Original petition.
Sorry, my lords?
No. She was respondent in the.
In that view, there shall be notice to the respondent two
My lords, if I may make a submission, my lords.
to engage the
We'll serve R2 by hand, my lord. It's a statutory body.
returnable on 23rd of October.
In the meanwhile, government has also filed an appeal, my lord, writ appeal 490 of 2024, challenging the same order.
Where it is posted is.
It is not posted today, my lord. So it
Along
My
with
lords.
writ appeal number
490 of 2024.
490/24.
I'm sorry, my lord. FR number is 490. Appeal number is 524 of 2024.
524 or 24 shall be listed,
Great.
which is a cross appeal filed by the state government.
Till number 52.
I'm appearing for appellant.
Encourage
Kindly
order.
pass over the matter, my lordship.
We beg to
Kindly
appeal.
pass over the matter, my lordship.
Any?
Kindly pass over the matter.
Pass over.
Yes, my lord.
You will be passed over to which date? Passed over to 27th
I
November.
am ready, my lord, for respondent.
Interim order to be continued, my lord.
Interim order is
Will not-
operating.
Yes.
Operating.
Even then it will not be possible today.
Some early.
So we'll
date,
keep it earlier,
Some early date, my lord, I'm sorry.
6th November.
Interim order to be continued, my lord.
The corrected.
Interim orders will continue.
Some date next month.
It appear, if I appear for the
Next
appellant.
month.
Lordship said November.
So which date do you want? Early? October,
Yes.
24th October.
24th November.
Number 53.
Interim
State
order to
appeal.
be continued, my lord. Interim order to be continued.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for the appellant,
Lord.
my lord. My lord, there is a delay of 151 days.
I am filing wakalat for respondent number one, madam.
Respond number 4.
I am the petitioner in contempt, my lord, 165 of 24.
Can we condone the delay?
Yes.
Delay is condoned. IA is disposed. Appeal shall be listed on 23rd of October.
Obliged.
Number 54. Sir Gopal BV.
It's a delay of, my lord, 92 days, my lord. The other single judge, my lord, the delay has to be condoned, my lord.
Condoned.
92 days, my lord. The
All are appearing.
the other single judge,
Delay.
my lord.
All parties are appearing.
Hello?
All the parties are appearing through
Yes, my,
advocate.
yes, my. all-
Heard learned to the parties, respective parties. It is IA number 1 of 24. This interim application is filed seeking to condone the delay of 92 days, which has taken place in preparing the appeal. Also, the accompanying affidavit explains the passage of time leading to delay. Also, the reasons are bona fide and constitutes sufficient cause. Paragraph, the delay deserves to be condoned. Accordingly, delay to the extent of 92 days is condoned, application is allowed.
Yes.
Writ appeal may be listed on 7th November.
Obliged, ma'am.
One submission, my lord, it's regarding payment of compensation to the landowners. Would it be posted before, my lord, on the October some date, my lord?
Not posted. Yes, next.
55 adjourned. Number 56. Mr. K. Krishna.
For the respondent number 1 to 5 in this matter, my lord.
Lord, in this case, it may be kindly be taken up on Monday, my lord. Senior counsel Vikram Holigulu is appearing, my lord. He is not in station. It may be taken up Monday, my lord, because some urgency is that, my lord, because the submission.
Send over to 25th November.
My lord, one submission, my lord. This is the pertaining to the metro project is concerned, my lord. before the learned single judge, my lord, the interim, by way of interim order, they have permitted to the metro to carry out the work, my lord.
Now there is no time before vacation.
There is
before
a kind on Monday, Monday, my lord.
Otherwise, we are taking each and every matter at length, but let it go. Nothing will happen if it is kept after vacation.
Monday, at least immediately after vacation, my lord. I request immediately after vacation.
Immediately after vacation, 21st of October.
One more submission in this matter, my lordship. One more writ appeal is there to connect this in.
All.
Writ appeal number 818 of 2024, my lordship.
All are-
The matter has been challenged.
All will be on 21st of October.
Much obliged, my lordship.
Thanks.
Number 57 to BP Negde. 57 BP Negde.
Nobody is there. Let it go to 19th October, 19th November, please. Yes, next.
Number 58 urgent.
58
Number
urgent.
58. 15.
My lord, I am for the respondent KDB, my lord. This
58 is
matter-
urgent.
You are the applicant.
Who sought time?
There's an interim order that is to be extended also.
Duly extended.
Kindly this matter.
25th October.
And
In other connected matters is there, my lord, it appeal number 1290/23 and 1407/23. This has to be connected with this matter.
On that day will say.
that some constructions are going on, let that be stopped, my lord. We have been put to immense difficulties with.
No
regard to
time
this.
now, after holidays. Yes. Next,
Date be given.
Number 59.
25th. 25th दिया है?
Please.
59.
I appear for the complainant.
Yes.
Anil Kumar.
I appear for the complainant. My lord, there is no complaints of the order of the learned single judge passed by the Honorable Court. I have produced certain documents to show that they say, my lord, that they have complied. The land in which, my lord, they said that it has been complied. There is a report by the surveyor. It is not a vacant land at all. And it is, the temple is in possession. There is a temple and all those things. Rashma, kindly see page 54 on page 46, my lord, of my memo. The surveyor, my lord, when I asked for Durast and Port, he has reported that it cannot be measured at all. It is not a vacant land.
So alternate land to be granted.
Yes, that is the direction issued by the learned single judge, and the same has been confirmed by the Honorable Court. Time and again, my lord, they are not allotting the vacant land at all.
While dismissing the writ petition, learned single judge directed the authorities to directed and observed that the authorities cannot escape from liability of granting an alternate land in favor of the writ petitioners by saying that there is no provision under the land grant rules. Full stop. The fallout of the aforesaid observations, the result of the consequence of the aforesaid observations is that the authorities are required to allot alternate site, alternate land to the writ petitioners. However, it could be immediately noticed that that learned single judge has not set down any time limit for compliance of the said part of the direction. In that few paragraph, it cannot be said at this stage that any of the respondents have committed contempt, much less willful contempt.
Well, there is, my lord. There's a positive direction. There's a positive direction.
Your file reply. Tell us then. What you say.
My lord, let them file status report if it is, my lord. There is a positive direction. Just I will take your lordship to the order of the learned single judge.
What you have stated.
There's a positive direction. And the preferred appeal that has also been dismissed.
When you have filed it.
Lordship, kindly see page 11 of my complaint, paragraph 7.
8. Well, yeah, very true. 3823. So what you have stated? Paragraph 4. Oh. The order is complied with.
No, Your Lordship, therefore, Your Lordship, kindly see my memo. Their report, page 46, please. The surveyor, 46, Your Lordship, kindly see 46,
43,
46, my lord,
46.
in the memo,
Memo.
the surveyor's report.
Surveyor's report, we are not concerned.
No, my lord, because, my lord, if the grant is there, then it has to be identified and it has to be ported, durasti has to be affected. Simply saying, my lord, some land has been granted, unless and until the property is identified, it is not a grant in the eye of law. Page 46, my lord, it is the surveyor's report. As per the single person order number so and so, research number 40, Balenhalli village, Basrala Hobli, Mandya Taluk, file received for durasti of Darkas. It has been priorly informed to said applicants and revenue inspector and village accountant about date of survey and visited the said place on the said date. And when asked, Dhananjaya, MK, son of so-and-so, appeared for applicant to show his occupancy. He said that he has informed that we are not in possession and spot inspection has been conducted as per revenue sketch. Eucalyptus trees have been grown completely in said place and there is Malai Mahadeshwara Swami temple and community of temple and kitchen during the time of spot inspection. Villages of Balinhalli, Manchegadanhalli, so and so. Villagers informed that there is temple in this place. Applicants are not in possession of the said land. Therefore, we have no objection for Podi of Durasti. Therefore, it is not possible to conduct the Podi Durasti since applicant is not in possession of said land. Therefore, the complete file of by closing statement notice so and so. Then, Rashmi, kindly come to the next page 54, my lord. This is the 54, my lord. This is the objection raised by the villagers who are in occupation of that portion, which the response is that it has been granted. Then 56, my lord, the translated copy is at page 57. Office of the Assistant Director of Land Records, page 57. Simply saying, my lord, some grant is made, my lord. Possession has not been given. Earlier, the facts and circumstances case, my lord, earlier they were granted. In 1966, Sagolu Chit was granted, but the land which was granted in favor of the complaints, my lord, was in occupation of somebody else. Therefore, I filed writ petition, and there is a direction to give alternative land. Alternative land, my lord, he has to see that I have been put in possession. He has to identify the land. Simply saying some grant is made in somewhere else. It is not a grant in the law, and it is not a complaint in the law.
You file your further affidavit. Further affidavit will be filed before the next date, put up on 6th November. Yes, next.
Number 60 to Shanmukappa. 60.
Beyond vacation.
Number 61.
Beyond vacation.
Number 62.
For accused, my lord, we have complied with the order, my lord. We have filed compliance affidavit.
Thank you. Learned advocate to the parties jointly stated that the order under contempt is complied with and the affidavit in that regard is filed. In that view, the contempt petition does not survive and is accordingly disposed of.
Please.
Number 63. The B Vidyulata.
That's the order.
my lords, was to page 30, my lords. We have made an application for e-Khata, my lords.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, my lords, kindly see page 74, my lords, annexure D5, D4, D2, D series, my lords. These are all draft katas that is released. Page 69 onwards, my lords. These are draft katas that is released in the website. They do not release the final copy, my lords. The order, my lords, is at page 30. We were permitted to file online applications for registration of our names for the e-Khata, my lords, after paying the fee. And the third respondent, though.
What you have done?
I pay.
What you
My lord, according to judgment of Zonal Court, my lord, division bench judgment of Zonal Court, the Gram Panchayat has to first decide. I'll pass it
put on affidavit.
Huh?
Whatever you want to pay, put on affidavit.
Hey, I filed the endorsement also I filed. The first my lord, it was filed.
What you are saying in response to this or deduction? Have you complied with or not?
Yes, sir, I compared with the law. The
Complied.
Gram Panchayat has decided, and then we give the endorsement also.
This can be taken up after vacation, 16th.
Gratefully.
Yes, next.
Number 64.
Next week you last may have it, next week. Next week you last may have it.
Beyond it.
Number 65. Srilata Nayak, 14%.
Yes.
As for the order for decision on order dated 22nd, that is the English translation of the order passed on 22nd of November 2014 is on page number 50 to page 64. So I request the Honorable Court to kindly go to page number 63.
May I interrupt your lordship? These all not denied. I have filed my objection. I have not disobeyed the order of this honorable court at any time. The subject matter of complaint that payment is not made under sub judice. Here is my online matter 410 is the other hearing on the same amount.
While the respondent appears while on behalf of the respondent, learned advocate appears, the party in person, the complainant needs to be assisted by an advocate. Therefore, the Secretary High Court Legal Aid Committee is directed to provide legal assistance to the party in person. The matter may be listed on 22nd of October. Also, the registry shall take necessary steps to forward this order to the Secretary High Court Legal Aid Committee. So next.
So number 66. 22nd October.
I paid for the first accused. So I want to make
Number
a submission
66.
that after filing my objection, it is noticed, my lords, she is asking residence in respect of two different properties. One is in the
No
case-
urgency.
Lots in respect of. Make a submission, my lordship.
Which one?
My
my complaint is regarding to one order that was passed. by the
Which
High
thing?
Court.
66.
My lordship, I'm the complainant
66.
herein, I'm appearing as party person.
What is it? What is the
But
direction?
she is suppressing a material fact. I want to place it before this court.
Letters submitted here. What is the direction?
22nd October, I will be out of session.
23rd of
Maybe 4 or 5 days later, no, after 1st November or earlier. Even 21st, I got mine.
21st. 21st. 21st.
Hearing day.
21st.
Out of
21st, Mr. Counsel.
apply.
My lordship, if I may be allowed to take you to page number 24 of my complaint. It is the order of the Honorable High Court in MFA 4042. And the order is clearly regarding to one particular house that, if I may be allowed to read the order, the relevant part of it starts from page number 26, or I may start from page 25. The matter was called on 3/8/2023, thereafter it was adjourned on 1/8/2023 and on 10/8/2000. Learned counsel for the appellant, that is the opponent accused number 1, was directed to secure instructions as to whether he would not hinder the respondent from assessing and residing in the portion marked as relocated house in the sketch with the construction on a property owned by the respondent. Now, my lordship, this is property or the house that is being referred to is the house that they have promised to give me under the DV Protection Act. When the Domestic Violence Court had granted me residence in the matrimonial house, they gave an undertaking, we are giving her a fully furnished 1 BHK house in the same compound, she may be relocated there. On that undertaking and the photograph submitted by them, which my lordship I have produced here. If my lordship may kindly go to page number 94.
What is the interim order?
So that this was the order which allowed me to go and stay in the house. What the accused number 1 has done, he's taken up all the furniture, he's cut off the water connection, cut off the generator connection from there. There is a separate house that is on this survey number, which I said, okay, not this, I will shift to the other one. They got their cousin to come and sit in there. His property belongs to me. He's asked his cousin to vandalize my property, illegally trespass and sit into my premise. And this all after the Honorable High Court order was passed. They come before the court making false submissions that I am suppressing facts just because I'm appearing party in person. And this court should not allow such a submission by a learned
Yes.
who's aware of all the facts. He's representing
Yes.
the accused number 1 before in the MFA.
You are residing in house today?
He is residing in the,
There is no water connection to that house. So I'm yet compelled to travel from Bombay, from my mother's place in Bombay.
The direction is against you.
Lords may make
My
this
lords,
submission.
the direction was we have filed the affidavit, my lords. The direction was to give police protection. We have filed even the CD showing that we had kept the police personnel were there when she entered the house. And 24/7 also we have provided police protection whenever she is there, my lords. We have filed the affidavit. The commissioner himself there was a direction to the commissioner Mangalore, and we have filed the affidavit on 1 July 2024.
Not so only one submission. Lordship may hear my submission also. What the parking person has done. She files a complaint. Simultaneously, she files an application before the
We are going to issue contempt notice against.
No.
Directing the
Lords.
commissioner to send
Not
a
that,
team of
Lord, order is complied.
officer to
Lords,
inspect the premises.
Lords, orders are
How
complied.
do you
She's-
say when your client will remain present?
Lords, only one submission, Lords. Lords, Lords, she is making a claim in another property. Lords, the first order which she is saying violation in criminal miscellaneous 99 of
We do not
2011.
know. The survey number 315
Not-
1B2.
Yes, that she is residing.
Because he's made it uninhabited.
Not
Then
that.
How do I go? If I have to use water from the same compound, he's asked the watchman to tell me not to use the water.
No, there are several police complaints which she purposely does, my lords. She assaults the laborer.
It's a dispute between husband and
Yes,
wife.
sir, husband and wife, there are 100 cases between them. Not the DV Proceedings Court observes, since there are 100 disputes, let there be provided alternative accommodation. Not the pending consideration of these proceedings and contempt proceedings, she files an application for modification, seeking some other residence that is rejected, and now she has filed the appeal. I will place that material before this court. She is suppressing that material.
Petitioner herein has complained about the non-compliance of the order. Now what do? You are voluntarily reconnecting the things, or we continue initial contempt proceedings?
Lord, we are connecting it, my lord. She purposefully break it and she goes files complaint. There are
Connecting
100 complaints, my lord.
Connect it and come on 30th.
No, it's a factory. I was in the abroad.
You should reconnected everything, the water.
Yeah, not say yes.
Now,
Daily,
there is no debate.
no, there is no debate.
For debate for today.
No, so water connection, not, there is a water connection. If there is some issue that we'll get it repaired. That is not a big,
Water connection, electric connection are.
not everything is in place, my lords.
All right. In respect of the complaint made by the in respect of the grievance made by the complainant, kindly listen. That in the house where the where the complainant is.
But she is
permitted
not
to
residing,
reside,
but it was,
as per the order dated 11 August 23 of learned single judge, which is house built up in surrender number 315/1B2. That in that house, the respondent herein, original appellant, has disconnected the water supply and the electric supply. It was stated by learned advocate, Mr. What is your good name?
no, I'm telling, if it is in a repairable condition, I will get it connected.
If you're not telling us that we will recontinue, we'll direct.
Not, because my submission is purposefully, she will get it, my lord.
We want only the compliance.
Please.
No submission.
Not, I will get it repaired, my lords. If it is in
When
not
you'll get
repaired,
it repaired?
not within 2 weeks, months, I will get it repaired. If it is not if it is in condition, not 1 week, not
No.
2 days.
Come on 30th.
Not 2 days, I will get it done. If it is not in a conditional,
Full stop.
lordship may say that, my lords, I will get it repaired within 2 days.
No debate. With regard to the with regard to the grievance of the complainant about non-compliance of the order dated 11th August 2023, passed in MFA number 4042 of 2023, following directed, Commissioner of Police, to whom there is already direction to provide the protection to the respondent, as the complainant herein, shall depute a team of 3 of police officers who shall visit the house. Full stop. 2. The team of officers of the police department shall inspect about the availability of water and electric connection and the habitability of the house.
My lordship, one more submission. The house was supposed to be fully furnished as per his undertaking.
Lords, that-
which they have taken off all the furniture.
This is also, we are going beyond our.
My lordship, this is the order of the court. The furniture has been taken out
Not in-
because he has
not
claimed
in-
before the
in-
court saying he's giving me a fully furnished house.
Not this order was, not there is an, not this,
If you see my lordship, page number 192, it's a fully vacant.
Not this.
Space, 4 walls he's given.
no, it's a factory space. It's a factory space and this order was obtained without filing an application. We have filed an application for
You see
recalling that
the
order.
Police goes and
Yes,
submits the
let
report.
them-
Report shall be submitted to the court, put up
The furniture part should also be mentioned then.
put up on 1st of October.
Much obliged.
67, Srinivas K. 67,
Habitability of the house. Connection, availability of the water supply and availability of electric supply, as well as the habitability of the house.
The furniture. my
Copy
lordship,
of the
it may
order.
be mentioned, the furniture, because it had to be a fully furnished house,
We
that's why.
can't read in the order. This is also very trying to read, which is not there in the order.
So that's in the order, sir. If my lordship may kindly just look into the order, it says if she wants to reside. Reside was an order given by the domestic violence court where he had given an undertaking to have it fully furnished.
So habitability includes everything.
Much obliged,
Habitability.
Much
This
obliged.
order may be, the order may be released, my lords, for the compliance.
For order shall be given, copy of the order shall be given to learned additional comment advocate for its onward transmission and compliance. In the beginning, you write down, heard learned party in person is so and so, and learned for the petitioner, and heard learned petitioner party in person is so and so, and learned additional government advocate. Yes.
With the accused, my lord, accused
Pardon?
190.
67,
With the direction to consider the representation.
Srinivas
The complaint, my lord, they consider, representatives have been considered, my lord, duly considered.
Nobody is there.
Yes, my lord.
Nobody is there
Srinivas
for
K.
complainant. For complainant, nobody is there. For complainant, who appears?
Srinivas case, Srinivas is our. Yes, Srinivas was.
By
appearing.
learned advocate, Mr. So and so, the respondent stated that the directions are complied with.
My lord, there is a direction to consider the
In
representation.
absence of,
Representation have been considered.
in absence of learned advocate for the complainant, stand over to 22nd October. Next.
Number 68. Okay, Shilpa.
My lords, I appeal for the accused, my lords. My lords, am I audible?
Yes, madam.
My lords, I appeal for the accused in this matter, my lords. If I may seek a short adjournment, so I may file the compliance affidavit, my lords.
All right. 6th November,
Please, my lords.
as requested by learned advocate for the respondent. She will file. Next.
Yes, number 69. Mr. Ravi Shankar K.
No, nobody is there beyond vacation. 20th November.
70 urgent. Sima 71. Okay, Lakshmi Golla.
Which one? 71?
71.
Yeah, 71, my lords.
What is the PIL for?
Sorry, my lords.
What is the subject matter of PIL?
Lord,
It's
so far as second prayer, my lord, it was seeking a direction that Lord, free policies, health insurance policy should be given to all.
This can wait. 19th.
And the entire scenario has changed, Lord. This was filed during COVID. Now, my lord, there are different schemes of the central government also with regard to health insurance.
19th of November.
great.
Number 72.
By appearance 72.2, filed an IA for recall, date 14/3, could not comply with the office objections. The order was to comply with the office objections within 3 weeks. Unfortunately, I suffered an accident. Thereafter, immediately I preferred an IA for recall of the order.
21st November.
My lords, I appear in
If they
this
kindly allow the-
connected matter, my lords.
The order may be recalled.
For what?
72.2, the order was dismissal for non-prosecution. There was a direction to comply with the office objections, and 3 weeks were granted, and unfortunately, I could not
Hold. Allowed.
My lords, I appear in the connected matter, my lords. My lords, in my matter, even though the office objections were complied, by a side wind, my matter has also been dismissed. My lords, I filed an IA for recall. Your lordships may kindly allow that. Because of the connected matter peremptory order, my matter has also been dismissed.
Which?
22.3.
In the connected matter, my lords, I am the appellant. In the first matter, I am the respondent. I have no objection to the other matter being restored.
.2.
72.2, inadvertently, this
You
has
are
been
Rohan
connected with.
Kothari.
Lordship?
You are Rohan Kothari.
Lordship, yes.
So then in 7.72.2.
Point two, inadvertently, these matters have been connected. Mine is a separate appeal altogether.
No, the delay condonation application.
I filed an IA for the condonation of delay of 11 days in filing the recall also. Lordship, on 4/9, I filed that IA. Lordship,
Well,
had in
I
fact
have also
allowed the
filed an
recall
IA.
on the last date.
Let entire group go to 1911.
My lords, your lordships may kindly restore the appeal, my lords. I have a stay in that matter.
But
Kindly
madam,
restore the
all are
appeal.
connected or not?
Please, my lords, the one matter is inadvertently connected. The first two are, my lords, both have to be restored.
Except 72.2 may be segregated. It may be kept on 19th. Rest of the applications are allowed.
Very well, I'm deeply grateful, my lords.
Yes.
72.2, your lordship, kindly allow the recall.
There is no application for condonation of delay.
I filed, your lordship, on 4/9, I filed.
It is not there here physically.
On 4/9, lordship, I have the copy also of what I filed. On 4/9, I filed, your lordship. For 11 days of delay.
This file.
That's what comes.
Then we can notify.
We can take it.
Allowed.
My lords, in my matter also, I have filed an application for recall and for condonation of delay.
Yes, all are allowed.
Very well, I'm grateful, my lords.
Number 73.
Lord, 73 and 74 are against the common order of the learned single judge. It has to be heard on merits, my lord.
22nd of November.
Grateful, my lord.
Number 74. Same. 75. R. Shishidhar.
Beyond holidays, yes.
Furnishing of process fee. Seal number 76. The Devi Prasad Shetty. Eight steps for service.
Official
Steps for service.
steps for service. If they will take. No order, any order is needed?
Steps required to be.
Naturally. Steps shall be taken by learned advocate for the appellant to serve the unserved respondents. In respect of unserved respondents.
Office objections along with council submissions. Seal number 77.
My lords, I appear for the complainant in this, my lords. The office objection is that R2 is not a party, but he is now the managing director of BMRCL, my lords.
So office objection is dispensed with for time being.
Notice, my lords.
The complaint for the contempt petition may be listed. Next.
Number 78.
My lord, I'm
the
appealing for the
petitioner.
respondent in this matter. We have already complied with the learned single judge's order. We have handed over all the original documents.
One submission is hand over the papers. What happened after 4 years? And it is a interim order is order dated in October 22nd, 22 as order. I have given a several remind for the ICICI Bank to hand over the titles of the deposit of the documents. There's avoiding, they are not responding from the more than 4 to 5 years. I've given a RPD letters. I'm going to voluntarily my client to the ICICI Bank to return of the original document, whatever the mortgage did. That loan is cleared already is the 3 years back. Still is avoiding as to
It is complied with or not?
complied, but my party has lot of suffered with it. In time have not received the original title deed of the documents.
We have handed over all the original
When-
documents which was deposited with us, my
You
lord.
filed your report of complaint.
Please.
After filing of the contempt petition, he has filed, he has handed over the
The
papers.
factum of compliance of the order of learned single judge could not be disputed by learned advocate Mr. So-and-so for the complainant when it was so pointed out by learned advocate for the respondent Miss so-and-so. Paragraph. However, the only grievance of the learned advocate for the complainant is that the complaint is belated, full stop. That can be the subject matter of consideration in the contempt jurisdiction. Contempt proceedings are required to close and accordingly disposed.
One submission, I'm sorry to please it. Why I'm suffered my client, I request this honorable, she has drag on the ICICI Bank is very hard drag on my client, Your Honor. Is to hand over the papers of my papers of the mortgage document. Purpose, there are several kindly reminder and RPD covers and then have sent, hand over the paper, they have not. Please.
They have complied with now.
When I have filed the contempt petition, he has complied. Until they have not complied.
So what can be done? File a writ petition and claim damages.
Yes, that's.
Yes. no.
Number 79.
Obliged.
Ashwath Narayan.
Accused number 1 and 2 in this matter, my lords. My lords, the writ appeal had been filed and the judgment has been stayed. May be connected with the writ appeal, my lords. Writ
Connect
appeal
with
69 of
writ
2024.
appeal number so-and-so to be listed thereafter. To be listed along with.
Writ appeal number 69 of 2024, my lords.
69 of 24.
24, my lords.
68.
On the ground of annexes purpose, they filed this petition. It is a matter for initial.
Yes.
week, please, my lords, witness.
Next.
Number
In the
80.
vacation, in the vacation,
Complaint,
in vacation.
next week,
Next will be vacation.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday. No, no Wednesday. Give. Wednesday, 20th November, yes.
Number 80. Srimati Ratna N. Shugamar. Number 80.
Nobody is that beyond. What is the PI? Okay. In fact, Moram, clashes on Moram, okay.
Also the number 80.
40.
81.
Not 14, 22nd.
81.
Now it is over. Now it is over. They want that function to be prohibited. Will consider on that. Next.
So number 81, Mr. K. Sridhar.
I'm appearing for the appellant. For the time being, that memo of appearance filed on behalf of the appellant may be accepted. Wakalat, it was there in the writ petition. I filed the appeal. Party is in US. That memo. Appeal objection may be overruled.
Stand over to, simple is stand over to 21st October. Next.
Much appreciated.
Number office objection, non-compliance of office objection.
So
for
office of the
third time.
third time, fourth time, fifth time, in all matters, 6 weeks time is granted to remove the objection.
Number 84, fifth time.
All 6 weeks. Only fifth time maybe 4 weeks. Third and fourth time, 6 weeks. Fifth time, 4 weeks.
Fifth time item.
Then final hearing,
Number 89, final hearing matter.
no final hearing today.
I appear for the respondent in 89.
Number 89, kindly extend the interim matter.
Pardon, interim will be extended wherever it is.
Much of.
Serial number 50, your lordship.
This can follow the
My lord.
The 92 will assemble for that. Post it two more. Post it two more, 92.
Serial number